First question, colluvial soils or talus are transported by. Options are water, wind, gravity and ice. The correct answer is gravity. Colluvial soil or talus is formed by the downward movement of soil or rock fragments, and these fragments accumulate at the base of steep slopes or cliffs. Next question, water transported soils are termed. First option, aeolian, alluvial, colluvial and till. We know that water transported soils are termed as alluvial soil. So the answer is alluvial soils. Alluvial soils are transported and deposited by running water like river, streams, etc. Okay, and these soils are known as alluvial soils. And aeolian soil, it refers to the soil which is transported by means of wind, and colluvial soil means the soil which is transported by the action of gravity. Third question, glacier deposited soils are called. Options, talus, loess, drift, none of the above. The answer is drift. Drift is the general term we are using for all material of glacial origin. They are whether deposited directly by ice or by glacial melt water. Okay, and talus is gravity based soil and loess is wind blown silt. So our answer, glacial deposited soils are called drift. Next question, cohesionless soils are formed due to. Options are oxidation, hydration, physical disintegration, chemical decomposition. The answer is physical disintegration. Cohesionless soils like sand and gravel are formed by physical or mechanical weathering, which involves breaking down of rocks into smaller particles without changing their chemical composition. Chemical decomposition typically produces cohesive soils like clay. So our answer is physical disintegration. Next question, when the products of rock weathering are not transported but remain at the place of formation, the soil is called. Options are alluvial soil, residual soil, talus, aeolian soil. The answer is residual soil. Soils that stays at the site of parent rock weathering is termed as residual soil. It is moved by agents like water, wind, ice. So if it is moved by some other agents, we can term it as transported soil. So our answer is residual soil. The following type of soil is not glacier deposited. Options are drift, outwash, till, bentonite. Answer is bentonite. Bentonite is a type of clay. It is formed from the chemical weathering of volcanic ash. And this is formed in presence of water. Drift, outwash and till are specifically associated with glacier activity and melt water. So our answer is bentonite. Thank you.